Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this super treat 1970 Nova with an LS3 in it. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. This thing is gorgeous paintwork. Factory-like new interior. It's got the LS3 V8 6.2 liter engine with an upgraded Stage 2 cam. Unbelievable. It's got an upgraded hydraulic clutch, and it's got air conditioning, Wilwood, disc brakes, power steering. Unbelievable. I mean, this is the sleeper of sleepers we've had. EFI sniper up in front. Wilwood. Look at that. Upgraded headers. Nice, nice. Aluminum radiator. Look how clean this thing is. There's your air conditioning. Somebody spent a lot of money and a lot of love on this thing, folks. Everything's been touched. Looks like the frame's powder coated. This thing sounds and runs mean. You're gonna be with me when we take it for a ride. Clean. Your whole front chrome bumper is like new. All your lights, which are totally upgraded. Grill, great condition. Look at the lines. Gap's great. You can see the clouds in the sky up there. All your lights and wipers are working. Look at that with the rally wheel. Sleeper. Wipers are working. All your glass is in good shape. Look at that. Perfect. All the way down. This body is straight with no flaws. It's got a 12-bolt posi. Just beautiful. Let me get off it a little bit. Look at this. Just looks like an everyday little car, huh? Rear bumper, great. All your weather stripping, everything. Look at that underneath. Beast. Trunk, great. Spare tire. Little big speaker back there. All original panels. Look at your weld there. There you go. Again. Beautiful. Chrome around the rear window is great. So yeah, paint deep. No paint flaws whatsoever. Passenger window and all are good. Sport mirror. Look at that gap. Just the way it should be. All right, I haven't found a chip whatsoever. I'm gonna call this one the sleeper. Amazing. Love it. No one's gonna expect you to blow their tires off when you get next to them. 6x9's in the rear. Headliner's great. Look at this factory interior. Clean. All your gaps, sill plates are good. Her shifter and your dash is in great shape. 50,790 on the odometer. Air conditioning. Couple sets of speakers in the front as well. All your gauges are working.
You want the Slim Shadys or just imitating someone? The real Slim Shady, please stand up.
My sound. Gas gauge is working. Great sound, especially with that cam. Real Slim Shady. All right. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Warehouse is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Clutch feels real good. Oh, the brakes are good. We've got over 190 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, videos, and photos are on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Wow, this thing feels great. Special financing is available. Shit. As well as shipping all over the United States. We'll go out as far as 180 months. If you qualify, you have to have good credit with 10% down. There's a few options with no money down if you got excellent credit. I'll give you my number in a minute. I gotta have a little fun. Oh God. All right, this thing moves, folks. This thing really cooks. This is a real nice car. Wow. If you need any quotes on shipping or talk about any of my cars, you can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Messing around, folks. Wow, what a great build. Absolutely no disappointments on this puppy. I'm gonna call this sucker the sleeper. All right, I'm gonna do a U-turn, see if we got any crazy noises inside here. Hang on, trucker, hang on. Yeah, that was me. Sorry, I missed the shift. Oh, I love this car. Wow. This is a treat, folks. If you're interested in the sleeper, give me a call. 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions on this 70, call me. You've got my number. This is a bad mamma jamma. Like it. There's service. This was fun. Thank you, everybody.